Let's to learn XPO85 kit. In this kit, here you have to connect 5-volt power supply. Here you have to connect keyboard connection. Open from this side. Now you can see this is your display, 16 by 2 volt, 16 by 2. This is motherboard. On the motherboard you can see here 2825 pi. This is 825 pi, and these pins are come out from here on box type connector, 26 pin connection. This is upper port 825 pi, this is lower port 825 pi, and that lower port 825 pi pins come on this 26 pin box type connector. 8253, 8251 and max 232. This is D type 9 connector for PC communication. Here 89C2051 IC for keyboard and display interfacing. Clock divided IC, break, scratch pad memory 6264, 8 kilobyte. All these are the 74LS245 data and address buffers. This is battery backup memory 62256. Here the battery, rechargeable battery. This is for the reset, and this is for the interrupt. On bottom side you can see 8085 IC, 8259 IC, EEPROM 27C512. With this kit we provide you student workbook and instructor guide. Student workbook we are given to you how to operate the kit, how to write down the program in opcode, how to write down the program in assembly language, disassembly and PC communications. For that you can refer the chapter number 2. This is chapter number 2-2-6. Here the procedure for how to write down the program in opcodes. So go through this procedure. After writing the program, how to execute the program, this procedure is given. Then how to check the content of registers. So this is the procedure for how to write down the program in opcode. Now we can see the how to write down the program in assembly language. For this refer the appendix H. Here stepwise we can give the procedure to you. By using this procedure you can write down the program in assembly language. After completion the program, the procedure is same for the opcode as well as assembly. How to the execution procedure and check the content of the register. These are the some small programs. Appendix C for how to write the how to connect with the PC and download the hex files. By using hyperterminal you can connect through serial cable, 9 to 9 serial cable, which is we provide with the XPO85 kit. With this kit we provide to you power supply, there are the two connection. One is the Casio connector. Here it comes 5 volt and it goes to XPO85 kit backside. Second connection is for the 4 pin realignment, in which here you get plus minus 12 volt, which is required for application board like stepper motor, DC motor, ADC, DAC, where we require the plus minus 12 volt. This is the introduction of 8085 kit.